a Majestic Unicorn. So we're actually eating these. So excited.
What this is? It's just a button. There's no explanation. I don't know what this is. Wait, maybe no information right there.
Go follow
Okay,
me.
this is just some kind of weird
In this game, I forgot, but I'll be commentating it in. It's in my brother's account. I don't know how to change it to mine. Got a crispy one.
What's with this weird half door?
And this is just
Okay,
wrong.
another stairwell that goes up. Wait, is this?
My headphones are downstairs, Zelby.
Okay, we can't open up that.
I'm
Is this
upstairs.
the same place? Oh.
You know, this is the bed.
Authorized personnel only. Okay. What is this? We got some pictures.
Whoa, this one's cool.
Anything here? Wait, is this like 106's doing?
I'm going to do an Ask Mr. video tomorrow.
Wait, what is this? Oh, it's one of these rooms. Okay, wait a second. Wait a second. Oh no, okay. It doesn't actually. It's not filled with fog or anything. I see. Wait. Oh, guys, this is the door to the forest. Okay, we can't actually go in the forest. I see. Okay. Very cool so far. It's kind of cool seeing all these same-ish places, right?